Safety ranks high on the list of reasons why manufacturers move to automated systems. Going from a manufacturing model where workers do manual assembly to one where they're mining a machine comes with benefits that range from increased productivity, consistent quality, and a better bottom line. It's a fact that automation prevents common, physical, and fatigue-induced injuries by cutting down on heavy and repetitive tasks. Recently, Eclipse engineered a system that builds prefab walls. For operators, there is no lifting required. The risk is all but eliminated. Same with repetitive jobs like screw tightening. Give a machine that task and the risk of injury goes away. Eclipse designs, builds, and integrates automated systems that require working with tiny components, which demands the utmost precision. With our systems, robots perform the tasks repeatedly with consistency and accuracy the way human operators cannot. Another way an automated system can keep workers safe are when conditions are hazardous. Manufacturers can put systems in place to do whatever the required task is, and no human needs to be exposed to an unhealthy environment. While manufacturers are embracing automation to advance their businesses and become more productive and efficient, it's our job to ensure that every one of our custom systems keep workers healthy and safe. For further details, please visit our blog at eclipseautomation.com. Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture. We design and build the future.